Guys, we just finished the checkoff.
Volume or the amount of that.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and the vlog. So this is day one of my first week of nursing school. I'm really excited. Today I'm going to be taking pharmacology and fundamentals. Yeah, so it should be pretty good. It's going to be a packed week, so stay tuned and it should be a good one. All right, we're back. So I just finished class. It was not too bad at all. It was orientation, so it really wasn't that bad. We're just getting our clinical assignments and all of that good stuff. We got out like 30 minutes early, so now I'm gonna go home and get something to eat. I got some chicken pasta, so I think that will be pretty good. So we'll come back in about an hour and a half and I'll be doing pharmacology. Now we're back. I got my lunch. I'm back at the college and we're about to take pharmacology. So pharmacology is from 1 to 4, so that's really not bad at all. I don't know if I should be terrified, nervous, or excited. I'm pretty excited, so I think it'll go pretty well. I got my iPad, my computer all set up and ready. I'll let you guys know how it goes. It really wasn't bad at all. I was not terrified, wasn't nervous. All we did was just some orientation work again. She talked about scholarships, all that good stuff. Tomorrow, I will be doing some checkoffs in lab for fundamentals, so that will be pretty fun. But right now, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Maybe hang out with some friends. I will go lift and find something to do today. If you ever thought about getting into lifting, I really recommend it, especially with the busyness of school and life. It's really nice to just hit the weights and really kind of focus on yourself, listen to music. I actually lift around 8 o'clock. If I lift any earlier, I kind of feel sick, and if I lift really late at night, it's terrible. I hate lifting really late at night. But yeah, so it was a pretty good day, pretty productive. I will see you guys in the morning, and we will see how tomorrow goes. I will be going to class a little bit early because I have to get a lab kit for lab that I have that day, so I'll be in my scrubs, so it should be a good day. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 2 of my first week of nursing school. Today, I have to get my lab kit, so I'm here a little bit earlier. And then I'm gonna go and head to lab. I got 2 checkoffs. Yeah, I'm really excited for today. After lab, I do have a lecture, so I think that will go pretty well. This is our first actual lecture. It's not gonna be orientation, so that will go pretty well. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, we just finished the checkoffs. I passed them, so that's pretty good. I will now go and heat up my lunch. Big shock, I eat the same thing every day. So it's, again, chicken pasta. And then we'll be back here about 1 o'clock to go have a fundamentals lecture. All right, guys, we finally made it out of the lecture. I'm very exhausted. I'm gonna have to go home. I will rest for a couple minutes, probably like 20 minutes, and then I will go and do a couple hours of reading. I think I got some plans later. I will go to maybe a coffee shop and do some reading there. But besides that, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Just kind of hang out, and yeah, I'm gonna lift later, so that'll be good. But yeah, it was a pretty good day. All right, guys, it is the end of the day. I just went to QT and got some milk here. I'm gonna drink that, get to bed. It's like 10:30, so it's past my bedtime, but I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. We are right in the middle of the week. Sorry that I didn't talk to you guys this morning because I was in a rush because I had to come to clinical at 7:30. But we finished clinical. It's 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go home, get a snack, rest a little bit for like 20 minutes, and then I'm going to study for a couple of hours. I do have church tonight. I'm gonna fill out my schedule and everything for the next 7 weeks and kind of prepare everything.
Or the amount of that dosage strength that you have.
Pasta again. Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, so I just got back from Wednesday night. I gotta hit legs, so it's gonna feel fantastic, but it's okay, I'll push through. And then I'm gonna go and look at a couple school things and then get to bed. Hey everyone, just got to class. It's a nice early morning. It's 8:30. I'm gonna go to class until 11. Then I'll have an hour break. I'm probably gonna go to Publix, maybe. And then I'm gonna come back from 1 to 4 and I'll have a lab there. So it should be a good day. Hey everyone, so we are back from class. We were learning all about drug calculations and different formulas and all that fantastic stuff. We also did about 40 word problems, so that took a good chunk of the time. It was pretty exhausting, but now I'm gonna eat a little bit, look over my study schedule, and then we will head right back to class. Okay, so we just finished pharmacology. I'm pretty tired. We learned about 3 different medications. I'm gonna head home right now and get something to eat and then probably lift. Just finished a long, tiring week, but I'm really excited to be done and on the weekend. So my classes are Monday through Thursday, so I have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday off, which is kind of nice, but you know, Monday through Thursday, it's pretty intense because I get off pretty much at 4 every day, except the clinical day on Wednesday. But yeah, it was a great week. It was pretty slow, but it started picking up a little bit later in the week. I wasn't able to lift because I had to do an unholy amount of homework, but we got through it, and I think I'll be doing pretty good on it. But if you have any tips on fundamentals or pharmacology, then let me know in the comments down below. Remember to like and subscribe, and study hard, study smart, and I'll see you guys next time.